One of the most important research skills is paraphrasing, yet many students find it confusing. Some think paraphrasing means replacing a few words with synonyms. Others worry that they might accidentally plagiarize. But paraphrasing is much simpler than many people realize. In this video, we are going to look at what paraphrasing is, why it matters, and how to do it properly. Let's start with a simple definition. Paraphrasing means expressing information from a source in your own words while keeping the original meaning. You are not changing the idea, you are changing how it is explained. This is important because research is not about copying information. It is about understanding information and communicating it clearly. Paraphrasing helps demonstrate that understanding. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a source says, regular physical activity can improve mental well-being and reduce stress levels. A weak paraphrase might be, regular exercise can improve mental well-being and lower stress levels. This changes a few words, but the sentence structure remains almost identical. A stronger paraphrase might be, people who engage in physical activity frequently often experience better mental health and are less likely to feel stressed. Notice what happened. The meaning stayed the same, but the sentence was completely rewritten. That is effective paraphrasing. So how do you paraphrase properly? The first step is to read the information carefully. Do not rush. Make sure you genuinely understand what it means. If you do not understand the information, it will be difficult to explain it in your own words. The second step is to look away from the source. This is a useful habit. Instead of staring at the original text, try explaining the idea from memory. This encourages understanding rather than copying. The third step is to rewrite the idea naturally. Imagine you are explaining it to another student. Use your own sentence structure. Use your own wording. Focus on communicating the meaning clearly. The fourth step is to compare your version with the original. Ask yourself, does it mean the same thing? Have I used my own wording? Is the structure different? If the answer is yes, you are moving in the right direction. Another important point is that paraphrasing does not remove the need to acknowledge sources. The idea still belongs to the original author. You are simply explaining it differently. Good research always gives credit where it is due. One common mistake is trying to sound overly academic. Paraphrasing is not about making information more complicated. It is about making information clear. Simple and accurate is always better than complicated and confusing. As you practice paraphrasing, your confidence grows. You become better at understanding information. You become better at communicating ideas, and your research becomes stronger. If you would like a structured guide that helps you build strong research skills from the beginning, my Research Starter Toolkit is available in the About section of this channel. It is designed for learners aged 13 and above, as well as adult beginners who want a practical introduction to research. On this channel, we will continue breaking research into simple and practical steps. If that would help you, consider subscribing. Because when you understand information well enough to explain it clearly, you are no longer just collecting knowledge, you are learning.